all the dialogues and conversations I have with clients and stakeholders, there's a real recognition of the Macquarie legacy over the last 25 to 30 years in the infrastructure sector. And that leadership and legacy remains with Macquarie and is instilled in every new graduate and new hire that comes through.
Clients and partners come to us to really look at complex opportunities. That they don't come to us for the simple opportunities.
What impresses me most about Macquarie is the deep bench strength and the wide network of regional and country teams that they have managed to build up over the years. And the ability to get these different teams to work together as one huge deal machine.
It's an amazing brand. So the market power and reputation of Macquarie certainly has given us a leg up in terms of the halo effect that we get by being a Macquarie portfolio company.
We're quite fast entrepreneurial company. And so when we look at transactions, in some cases, we need to move quite fast. And I'd say Macquarie have been really with us, alongside us, moving fast and being dynamic.
Macquarie, from our point of view, also focus on getting the right risk allocation as dictated by the market to win projects as effectively as possible.
Each of our region's funds have a truly international investor base. For our Asia-focused infrastructure funds, we've seen commitments from investors across North America, Europe, Middle East, Asia, and Australia.
They bring a granular thought process to our business, whether it's on the waste side or the energy side, that has meaningful insight to helping us run the business.
It has a unique blend of sort of in-house operational expertise as well as financial acumen. And a real experience that comes from actually having managed and operated assets across a very broad portfolio for a very long time.
Their contacts and the people that they can introduce us to, both people that can be of service to us in different ways as well as potential customers.
They have a demonstrated ability to adapt to the ever-changing market conditions.
Over our 25 years, we are proud of the way we've developed the infrastructure class and been able to present a much broader range of assets to our investors.
The real changes and opportunities that we're seeing on the infrastructure sector at the moment is a shift from what historically would be called core plus infrastructure, so digital infrastructure and social infrastructure, really coming back into the mainstream of infrastructure going forward, and that's presenting a lot of opportunities for us.
There's also an acknowledgement that we continue to be at the forefront of the sector today around things like asset creation in renewable generation, battery storage, the decarbonisation theme, digitisation around digital infrastructure. Macquarie continues to lead the market when it comes to these sectors.
They have this tremendous asset base of green power. And that green power and the know-how of that green power is something that we can utilize to also educate and help our customers and work with Macquarie to provide longer-term green solutions for the customers as part of our asset base.
Macquarie is able to bring global expertise in important topics like workplace health and safety directly into the businesses that we manage and improve the outcomes.
There is not a meeting that goes by that we don't talk about health and safety. And because of that, our safety stats and culture has improved vastly since their ownership.
Our teams come from diverse backgrounds with deep technical, industry and finance expertise and are located in the markets in which we invest. It's through this deep understanding of the local markets that we're able to secure and manage investments across the region.
You always get a good quality team on every transaction. It's not one on and off as others might be.
We've got dedicated teams in Australia, in the Asia Pacific region, in North America, in Europe, and dedicated staff who focus solely on infrastructure, whether it be third-party advisory or asset creation or project development.
We also have a very flexible balance sheet, so we can invest in construction, operations, development and platform opportunities, which is quite unique. And we have very clear skill in financial ability and using our technical knowledge.
There's a lot of investors out there and there's a lot of money out there, but the number of them that can really help you build your business in the infrastructure and government arena is pretty limited. So we saw that as being exceptional among the various folks that we were talking to and made Macquarie by far the most interesting.
In FCC, we are really excited with the future with Macquarie. We have expanded our relationship in Europe to Americas, and that is bringing us big opportunities.
We see that we can, go big and go international, and we're really excited about being a partner of Macquarie's because we know they'll help us.
We look forward to building on the long-term partnership that we have with Macquarie in the years to come.